Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this interesting texture in Blender. So to make it, first add a sphere, then add a new material. Now add a Verona texture. 4D, F2, plug the distance into the base color, and now add a map range. Box select these two nodes, Ctrl G. Now plug the W, scale, and randomize, and also from min and to max to the grouping pose. Now you can adjust the settings. And get a very interesting effect. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.